Hello everybody, welcome back to the Human Resource Machine. We are going to do this path today because I'm still not sure exactly how I'm going to be able to do that one. Because there's no way to stop the loop. Because if you could stop the loop, you could stop it after it adds to itself 40 times. Alright, it has come to our attention that the Zero Advocacy community felt the previous assignment was not inclusive. This time, send only the zeros to the outbox. What happens to the other numbers and letters? Management leaves that detail up to you. Alright, so they only want the zeros. Okay, so grab from the inbox, copy it to 0, and if 0, jump down to here. If not 0, jump up to here. And this is going to move to the outbox. And then we want to jump back up to here once we're done with the outbox. No, up to here. So grab this one from the inbox. Oh wait, hang on. Okay. Grabs an item from the inbox. Let's get rid of this guy. Let's clear it all. Just clear it. Grab a number from the inbox. Copy it to 0. If it is 0, which is what we want, go down here. If it is not 0, grab another item from the inbox. If it is 0, send it to the outbox. And jump back up to here. I think that's correct. What it's going to do is going to grab an item from the inbox. Do I need this? I don't need this. Okay. If it is 0, it's going to keep going with it. It's not 0. Wait, we don't need this either. It is 0. Go to the outbox. It's not 0. There. No, we want to do that because otherwise it's never going to jump back up. Alright, I think that's what we want to do. 2 is not 0. Alright. Alright, that's what we want to do. Okay. Let's fast forward to this. Oops. There we go. Let's see if that was good enough. Okay. Oh well, took more steps. What are you gonna do? Can't please everybody. One day I'll work on these, try to bring down steps, but oh well. Subtraction. I never learned that in school. Did you? We're a good team. Okay. For each 2 things in the inbox, first subtract the first from the second and put the result in the outbox. And then subtract the second from the first with the result in the outbox. You got a new command, subtracts, and the contents from a tile on the floor from whatever value we're currently holding. Grab an item from the inbox. Copy it to 0. Grab an item from the inbox. Copy it to 1. Alright. Then we gotta subtract first value. Copy from 0. From second value, so let's subtract the first from the second, so I'll subtract the first from the second. And then put that to the outbox. And then we want to subtract. Oh wait, now we want to copy from there. Subtract from there. Put that in the outbox. And then we want to jump around. Let's see if that works. So 4 from 6 would give us 2. Oh no, I did them backwards, I guess. So I'm gonna copy from, I don't know, we don't need to copy from. Let's see if that works. No! So we need to copy from 0. No, it's doing it backwards. So subtract from 0. Subtract from 1. So subtract does it backwards in the way I thought it was going to do it. And I wasn't paying attention. Okay. There we go. Now it's correct. Should have paid more attention there because I was doing it backwards. There we go. How many more are left? Oh wow, there is quite a few left. Well, let's continue on our path. We did quite a few the last time. Equalization. Sometimes some numbers are bigger than other numbers. Oh wow. Sometimes they are the same. How can we know? I read about that here in this great book. Which number are you? For the aspirational 0. You can borrow it later. Okay. Well, thank you. Hello, world. That's like the first programming I've learned in every single programming language I've ever used. It's always the Hello World program. Okay. So what are these? Get 2 things from the inbox. If they are equal, put one of them in the outbox and discard non-equal pairs and repeat. You got comments. Oh, they're comments. That's awesome. You can use them if you like. You mark sections of your program. Comments are very, very good for programming, especially if you want to go back and try to find errors. It makes it a lot quicker because you don't have to look through the code and try to figure it out again. It's just there and you already know. Alright, well anyway, let's go back to this. How are we supposed to know if they're equal? If they're equal, put one of them in the outbox. Discard non-equal pairs. Okay. Let's grab from an inbox. Copy to 0. And then subtract from 0. If 0, copy from 0 and then put it in the outbox. If not, jump up to the beginning. And then otherwise you gotta jump all the way up to the beginning. Let's see if this works. Alright, so these 2 numbers are not... Oh, what did I do wrong that time? Oh, okay, so I need to do inbox in here first. I need to grab from the inbox here, I think. Let's see if this works. So then at 0 goes back to the top. Okay. Alright, so that's correct. There we go. Now I got it working. Alright. Now usually I use a lot of comments in my programs because they make it so much easier to read the program when you have to go back and do stuff with it. But This isn't a very big program, so I probably will use it in the future during this game. Ah, by one. Oh well. There's been a change of plans. The accounting department has determined that treating all numbers equal is no longer profitable. Management wants the big numbers only. Huh. Oh, we got a jump if negative now, so that works. Okay. Grab an item from the inbox, and then subtract from 0. If negative, jump up to the top. If 0, also jump up to the top. Oh wait, no, because, Oh, okay, so if it does end up being 0, it can be put in anyways. So, outbox, and then jump. Oops. So, grabs a number, puts it in 0, and then it grabs another number, subtracts 2. If it ends up being negative, that means the second number that was grabbed was smaller. So, oh wait, if it's negative, copy from 0, I think that's gonna work. Let's test it out. Alright. 3, so it's not negative. Copy from 0. No, that's not what I want to do. Let's see if this one works. Alright. No! Why did it do that? It should have grabbed... There we go. It would help if I had my jump to command at the right spot. Now this is what I do a lot in programming. I just keep testing it. So 9's bigger. Put that in there. Okay, that is right. So far, so good. How can I handle this? See if this one works. Yeah, see, the problem here is I subtract 5 from 6, it's going to be adding. So it's going to put the 5 in the outbox when it should be putting the 6, because the 6 is bigger. Alright, give me a couple minutes here to think this one out. I'll be right back. I think I might have got it this time. Let's see what it does here. Okay, that's good so far. Oh, it messed up because there was a 0. Alright, so if 0... Let's see how this one works. So the 8 should go. Oh! Why'd that happen? It's positive. Should go to here. Wait, no, let's get rid of this one. Okay, so it's negative, this goes to here. If it's 0, it goes to here. And then it jumps to here. Wait. Maybe I need some comments. I'll be right back. Clear. Yes. Alright. Grab an item from the inbox. Copy to 0. Grab an item from the inbox. Copy to 1. Subtract 0. It's negative. Wait, let's see which ones it puts in here first. This is going to subtract. Okay. Now, that's going to mean is if it's negative, that means that 0 is bigger than 1. So copy from 0 and outbox that. Okay. Now, if it's positive, well, here, let's go if it's 0. Copy from, it doesn't matter which one, because they're the same. And if it's anything else, go to there, copy from is this going to subtract the 2? If it's negative, that means 0 is bigger than 1. So it's negative, it's going to go here, so copy from 0, put that to the outbox. If it is 0, that means they're the same. So it's going to copy from 0 and then go to the outbox. Anything else, which would be positive numbers, then it's going to take from slot 1 and then put that in the outbox. Then you just need one more jump to go all the way back up to the top. So, let's see if this works. I think that was right. There we go. Alright, that took a lot of thinking. And I used more commands than what it said. And a lot more steps. Oh well. I'll come back and try to figure it out different time. So, let's go to our video. How many more are left? I'm only going to do a couple more, and then I'm going to call it. Or maybe I'll stop it after this video. So let's watch the video together.
And that, ladies, is how I saved a bundle on my long-distance telephone service.
Oh, this is so funny. Uh-oh, what's going on now?
Back to work, everyone.
Oh, I guess that was the beeper to go back to work. Oh, what's this?
A massive army of machines has surrounded the city. The machines are not moving, and they are not communicating. Local authorities are investigating.
Oh no, sounds scary. Alright, well on that note, I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit that like button, and hope to see you again sometime.